Hello everyone! In this video, we'll see how to set up online payments on your website. I remind you that online payments is only available with the Boost and Luxury offer. To activate it, we're gonna go here to Website, then click on Customize. On the left, you're gonna click on Website Pages and Options, and then we're gonna click on the Services page. Here, we're gonna click on Payments. So first, over here, you can indicate if you want your customers to be able to buy gift cards for a service online. Below, you can activate online payment for online booking. So here, you can make online payment mandatory for every booking. Or, if you answer no here, you can make it mandatory only when you reach a certain amount. So here we have £20. Well, we can change that and choose 50, for example. So when payment is required here, you can decide if you want the customer to pay in full or if you want to give the option to leave a deposit instead. In that case, here you can indicate the percentage you want to ask. So it can be 10, 20 or 30%. So once you are done, you can click here on Save. Also, I remind you that in the Services file, in the Online tab, here you can indicate if you want payment to be mandatory to book this particular service online. Now let's make an example together. We choose a service that costs more than £50. So as you can see, the customer can choose between paying the full amount or leaving a deposit. Here, we're going to choose to leave a deposit, and then you arrive to this page where the customer will have to fill out their credit card information. Once that's done, they can click on Proceed to Payment. If we go back to the calendar, we find here the booking we just did together. We know that this is an online booking as we have this icon here representing a planet. However, if we take a look at this appointment, we see that we also have a planet, meaning that it was made online too, but the other one this time is green, which means that the customer paid in full. So you won't have to go back to this appointment. The transaction is already completed. By contrast, you will need to go back to this deposit to complete it. So we can do that by clicking here on Show Receipt. Here you have a few options. If the customer cancelled and you want to refund them, you can click here on Cancel Transaction. Here the software will offer to create a gift card instead of refunding the customer. If you don't want that, you're going to choose No, and in that case, the customer will be refunded on the credit card he used to pay. If the customer did not show up and you want to keep this deposit, you just have to click over here. You will find all your retained deposits in your accounting data. And finally, if the customer showed up for their appointment, you will then need to indicate the form of payment and click on Checkout. You can also add things to this receipt. For example, here I can add a product. Then the amount left to pay we have here will be updated. If you want to have the summary of all your online payments, you can go here to Online Payments and Withdrawal. Here you will have all your online payments, whether the customer left a deposit or paid in full. So that's it for this video. Once again, thank you for watching and see you soon.